Welcome to our channel. If you want to cancel your Audible subscription, follow this full tutorial to stop automatic renewal and prevent future charges. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to audible.com, then log in with your Amazon account credentials. Step 2. Hover over your name in the top right corner and select Account Details from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Under your membership details, look for a link that says Cancel Membership at the bottom of the section. Step 4. Click on Cancel Membership to begin the cancellation process. Step 5. Audible will present you with alternative options, like pausing your membership or switching to a different plan with fewer credits. Review these if interested or continue with cancellation. Step 6. Click Continue to cancel if you want to proceed with full cancellation. Step 7. Audible may ask you to provide a reason for canceling by selecting from a list of options or typing a custom response. Step 8. Confirm your final decision to cancel the membership, and you'll see a confirmation message on screen, plus receive an email confirmation. Note that you'll still have access to Audible until the end of your current billing cycle, and will retain access to any audiobooks you've purchased even after cancellation. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.